looks just okay. It's not as good as Boss Buds Pro. Wow, that's good. That's good. I'm really impressed with the sound quality. Today again I'm back with another earpod for unboxing and review. This one is from WeCool and the version is Moonwalk M1. See, this is it. So we will unbox it and we'll see how good this one is and in comparison with the other earpods. These all are in the same budget earpods. This also comes around 1200 price range. I'll share the description, the purchase link in the description box. So if you're willing to purchase after the loading, so you can go and get it from there. So I'll go in details about the specifications while I do the unboxing, as well as we will do the total review. We will connect it to our mobile and see how good this one is, and both in gaming as well as in hearing the music. So let's move to the unboxing video and see how good this one is. That is WeCool Moonwalk M1. Let's unbox the WeCool. This is WeCool Moonwalk M1. This is a TWS earphone. It is compatible with sports. It can be used as a sportswear and other purpose. So these are the specifications. The technology with the high bass is what it says. Let's see how good this one is and let's unbox it. So this is it. Seems the first impression, I would say the earpod looks just okay. It's not as good as Boss Buds Pro, which I have done a review earlier. The fit and finish of Boss Bud Pro was much better than this. This one seems yeah, let's see. Let's open it first. The charging box. This is it. WeCool. It's not display or nothing. Let's see. Let's see what all are the other things inside the box. Yeah, it got, as usual, it got some spare buds, then a cable. Oh, this is not type C type. This is not C type. It's a normal charging cable. This is the cable, and then manual how to operate it. That's all, nothing else. Yeah, there is one there is one brand warranty card, and yeah, there is a caution: fully charge your earphones before using it for the first time. Thank you. So this is all about all things in the package. So let's take the buds out. Yeah, this is it. not that much impressed about the size of this earpod as well as earbuds, as well as the quality. I'm comparing it with the Bassbud Pro, Petron Bassbud Pro, and with that I'm not pretty happy, because Petron Bassbud Pro is quality wise it's much better, and that one is touch sensitive. This one is having the button on it, the other one is touch sensitive. So this is it. So let me put it in the case, charging case. Okay, it works. This is it. It says you have to charge it fully for the first time when you use it. Case also, it's not as good as the Bassbud Pro. Bassbud is much more solid. It feels a little more solid, and this one have all that perfection, but I don't know why I feel it like it is not as good as, the quality wise it is not as good as the Petron. This is my first impression, initial impression. Now we have to hear it, we have to connect it and see how good it is while in performance. So let's connect it to my mobile. Let's see. Let's take yeah, you can see the Moonwalk M1 is been recognized by iPhone. So let's see if it connects. It's connected. So let me check the quality. So let's check it how good this one is. A bit bulky in the ear, as it feels from outside is a little bit bulky for the ear, but it seems to be perfect fit. I compared it with Petron earlier. So with Petron it was a little more compactable, and the quality seems to be a little more good in Petron. Obviously it is a touch sensitive on Petron Bassbud Pro. This one is not touch sensitive, this has button on it. It is a little bit bulky in the appearance, but it feels fit in the ears. So let's see how good it is in the sound quality. So I have connected it to my mobile. So this is my own video. Okay, now let's move to the music. Let's take some music from. So let's take some music now. It's okay. The sound quality seems to be pretty good. I was checking the vocals. It was good. It is very hearable. In Petron, the bass was a little more than this one. This Moonwalk M1, the bass seems to be perfect. The Petron has the bass a little more than this one. I am not that too much fan of this bass. It is sometimes irritable. So this one seems to be perfect. So let's see how good it is in the music. I'm playing cadmium now, friends. Video, video album. I like that song. That's good. I'm really impressed with the sound quality when you compare it with Pretron. That is a little more expensive and the quality wise at least seems to be more good. It is a little more compactable than this one. The quality of the material seems to be a little more good and Pretron. But the sound wise, I would say this stands a little above the Pretron Bassbud Pro when it compared to the bass and the rest of the sound qualities. I'm very impressed, really impressed with the sound quality. Now let's try again and see how good it is. Sound quality. Yeah, it's good. It's not that good for gaming. I would not say that this is the best one for gaming, but it does the job. Like when compared with the price range, the budget that this is selling out. But for music, I would recommend this. And for gaming, if you're looking for core for gaming, then even there are some other AirPods. I mean, like earbuds, which can perform better than this one. In that one, I would say the Pretron beats this Moonwalk and the gaming section because I feel Pretron Bassbud Pro has more chance over this. So this is my verdict. If you're looking for the core music, then this one is good. I love the bass, I like the surround system, I like the TWS functioning. All those is pretty good. But if you're looking for core gaming, there are enough other like Bassbuds which you can consider. So keep watching our video for the next video, and please subscribe our channel and please share the video with your friends and family, and keep supporting us. Thank you.